What's up everybody, YouStanceBro here. Sorry guys, I know it's windy, it's cold, it's probably gonna rain, but I don't give a shit. I'm still gonna go get the motor out from the junkyard. And right now we're gonna pull out this one. I already got it ready to go. Everything's ready to go. I got my little chain right here to pull it whenever I lift it out because I got dirt right there. Got the axle out. Got the other one out. Everything is unhooked, boys. So let's yank this out real quick, slide it out, and then we're gonna head to the junkyard and pull out the other one and head home and throw it back in. Really missed the car. I'm gonna get it going. Thanks for all you guys' support. Enjoy the video. Alright boys, I did it. I did it all by myself. So my dumb ass can do it, anyone can. Damn, look at that. Alright boys, that was a bitch. Now let's go to the junkyard and do the same thing. Should be easier though. Let's go do it. This is where they load up the motor right here. So let's get in there and do it. Hopefully it goes good. Hopefully I brought all the tools. Shit. Wish me luck guys. We made it up here. They're out of wheelbarrows. So I made a little sled out of a fucking hood. So here it is. Looks good. Looks really clean, way better than mine. So let's start getting it out, boys.
Is it heavy? I can move it? Okay, cool. Thank you so much. Thank you.
was a bitch. It was hard, but I'm pretty happy with the motor. It looks really good. Let's check it out, guys. It's actually in pretty good shape. No leaks, no oil. It's like really good condition. Pretty happy with it. Here's the older one. Alright guys, wish me luck. Hopefully everything goes good. I'm going to be trying to throw it in tonight and tomorrow. I'm pretty tired, but wish me luck. Hope everything goes good and fits. Just want to drive the Hyundai again. I miss it, boys. So don't forget to leave a like. Sorry for this video. I didn't edit it much. Man, it was hot today and I was working hard. So excuse the video. Don't forget to leave a like if you like. Thanks guys so much. I'll see you in the next video.